Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making a use case diagram for blood bank management system. For this purpose I'm making a use case diagram on draw.io website. This website is very useful and also free to use, especially when you are making a use case diagram or any kind of like a flow chart, process diagram, or any kind of charts, UML diagram, ER diagram, and network diagrams. So draw.io is easy to use, especially for the students. So I'm making a use case diagram on this website. As we all know, blood is the essential element of human body. About 7% of human weight consists of blood. Blood bank is a place where blood is collected from the donor and stored for a period of 30 to 35 days for later transfusion. The number of donors are increasing with increase in population of the country. Thus, we all need to have an efficient system to have a better control and management of data. Making a use case diagram is essential, especially when you are working on big projects like this. So let's start making a use case diagram for blood donation system. First, we will make a system boundary. There are three actors in this project. First one is donor, second one is patient, and third one is admin. Donor and patient have to register themselves, then they can log in this system. For login, I'm making a login use case. In this website, donor can request for blood donation according to his or her blood group. And then registration use case. After registration, a donor must need administrator approval. Admin will approve donor request after verification. Donor, admin, and patient can manage their profile. Also, they can update their profile. Donor can search record. There is a separate page where donor can view all the patient's requests according to relevant area. So as I said, patient can log in, log out, and register themselves. Also, they can manage their profile. Patient can also request for required blood in Blood Donation Society project or blood bank management system. Through this website, admin can manage donors. They can add, delete, or block any particular donor. For this purpose, I'm making a use case for manage donor, add, delete, and block. Admin can also send messages to registered donor or registered patients. Admin will approve all the registration request and approve all the donor request. So this is the use case diagram for blood donation system or blood bank management system. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like my videos. If you have any query, then you can ask in comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.